Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week, we went out to the 6th annual Car Show and Barbecue Cook-Off event. There were tons of awesome cars out there, and the food wasn't half bad either. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
I think you gotta stop here. No, maybe not.
She's looking at her damn phone. She ain't looking at me.
No. Alright, that's it right there. Damn. They made this a damn motorhome park.
Yep.
We're supposed to go.
Looking for the show cars.
I ain't seeing any. This is it. Man, this place has changed.
Show cars over there.
Huh?
Show cars over there.
Okay. Yeah, all down in there.
Yeah.
You tell me there where you want to park.
I was thinking about trying to get over there, but it doesn't look like there's a way to get into there.
It doesn't. I'm gonna say maybe by that black truck, but there's a car there. I don't know, turn around. Go back in.
There's a spot next to us. It's a little deep in. We're on the dirt, so it's really up to y'all. There's 4 of us.
Go back out there, go back around.
Alright. But I don't think you want to park out here on the road.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I also don't want to park somewhere where I can get blocked in and not get the hell out of here.
Yeah. I don't know what to tell you, son. Yeah, there's no way to get into there to park. I guess you might could have got in there.
What do you think about right there by that blue Dodge?
Okay.
Nose in.
Yeah. That works. I don't think that truck's going anywhere, do you? Oh, probably.
Yeah. That one was at Kingsland.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Well, I saw that those 2 guys. I know they were from Kingsland. They needed signs saying where they were parking.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Hilliard Flashes Youth Football.
Yeah. That's why all the trophies were done like football.
Yep.
A nice place to camp, looks like. Got a walkout top.
Yep.
Yeah. swim out here too. I don't know if they still do.
I don't know either. I'd say probably.
Yeah. She just sitting and reading. Yeah, that's probably where they. Well, that's where
That's
they
the
put
ramp.
in. Yeah. See, I would love to have a place on the river or pond. Maybe that's what we need to do. We need to sell that we got there in Hilliard and move somewhere else.
Yeah, if we ever hit the lotto. Or if you ever start making money like Sherry at real estate.
That ain't happening. I'm sorry, dear.
Or if I make $1 million on YouTube. Now that one is likely.
And I pray it happens for you, baby. Yeah, next year we'll come show both the cars.
Well, this was primarily a scouting mission.
Yeah, that's what I told him. I said, yeah, we'd never been to this one, so we wanted to come see what it was like. I said, next year we'd come early. And he already knew about the one in September. That's what I was telling him. If we run out of parking, we might could park on Sherry's lot.
Oh, he's a chunker, isn't he?
Yeah.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.